They just drop right in. Now I'm here with these LASFIT floor mats. There's also one for the passenger side that's slightly different than this driver side one. It's on the other side of the car. I just didn't want to drag it over here. These are cool because they're made with 3D scanning technology. So they get every curve, every corner, you get no gaps, and you just remove the factory floor mats and put these in place. Here we have the one for like the, I don't know what you call it on SUV, the trunk, I guess, the back of the SUV. And then again, we have the driver side one. The passenger side one's just slightly different. And then we have this one here for the back seats. So I'm going to get one of these installed and then show you what that looks like. And then I'll get the rest installed and we'll go ahead and take a look at all of them. They're great because they give you all weather protection, you know, with the raised edges and everything. They're going to catch water if you've got rainwater on you, if you've got snow, salt. The mats that I have in here, I've now had in 5 vehicles. They're not custom. I've just had them forever, and they're just kind of showing their wear. And I wanted to get something kind of more custom for my wife's car here because we live in the desert, so you get a lot of sand, and we might get some snow and stuff. And when the sand's wet, it gets like clay. So I just did this. These are made from a thermoplastic elastomer TPE. They're free from harmful chemicals like PVC, lead, latex, phthalates, stuff like that. They don't stink. They're not oily. They feel pretty solid. They did come shipped folded on the 2 big ones, and they've been out here in the sun for like 5 minutes, and they've mostly smoothed out. Once I get them in the car and you use them some, I'm sure that'll go away even more. They're pretty tough. They're not trying to curl. Even the ones that were folded, they're just relaxing and going back, and they're custom fit for this car. And they make these for tons of cars, and I will have the link to this in the sticky comment description like normal, but let's go ahead and see how perfect this fit is and test these out. So here's what I was working with. We had the factory one, and then I had these on top of it. And like I said, these are ancient and they slide all over the place. They don't hook in. These ones, however, do use the existing vehicle's hook. They just drop right in. You're not gonna have the best angle here because I gotta like get in here, but that took me 5 seconds and we were off to the races. They're secured. Everything's form fit. I absolutely love these things. I don't know why I've never done this for my vehicles before. I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side, the back, and then we'll do the trunk or whatever. That one's gonna be a bit of a pain because I have a ton of stuff back there, so I'm gonna have to take it all out, but we'll get that done and show that to you too. I had to slide the passenger seat forward to do the back one. And it made it super easy to put the back one in. Man, my wife just has napkins and stuff everywhere. So now I'm like, what are these parts of the car? This Nissan Kicks is just not well made. But yeah, these went in perfect. They went right on that natural hook. They fit in fine. They feel great on the feet. Let me show you the driver's side. Now, the driver's side was a little different because the car is actually missing one of the hooks. That's not the floor mat's fault. So we did buy this used. I will go on the Nissan website and see about ordering another one of those hooks, but that one's holding it secure for now. I'll get that one in a week or two. And again, it just fit in there perfect. And you can see where I got my feet in there and kind of tried to slide. It doesn't slide. It's so much better than that rubber mat, which you'd have to grab and pull down like every 3rd time you got in the car. And now here in the back, same kind of deal. I didn't move the seat forward because I didn't want to change the adjustment, but I did move that seat forward. And then I was able to easily get in here and just slide that in. It fits real nice. It goes up under. It's a little different on that side, but same kind of deal. And again, it just feels great. And when I was back here, I happened to notice that I actually have 2 USB ports back here that I wasn't aware of. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, so let me remove all of this stuff and then we'll install this one. I'm not looking forward to this. So let's get this one out and get the new one in. That one I literally just dropped in and I'm done. Like, I love these things. I'll have a link to the specific one for the Nissan Kicks that I have in the sticky comment in the description, as well as their website, so you can go look at the ones they have for all the other cars. Now time to try to get all this stuff back in here and make some sense of it.